Ba. Ba. Smile ka? Smile? Ba.
The teachers call the bags pegs.
Yeah? Do you know where's your peg?
Put the bags. Oh. In my school, I don't put the bags on the pegs. I put it on the bench. We only put the jackets on the pegs. Oh.
Put your jacket lang.
Yeah.
Di na si Jenny.
I remember this sticker.
Is that yours?
Yep.
Yeah, okay.
The teacher put a sticker on there.
Mm.
It has
Did you have a good job? What did you do yesterday?
we don't have books yet.
No, not yet.
What if? Jacket for Cardiff good. My face tight. Huh?
Is it?
I'm just holding it.
Yeah, hold it, JJ. Just hold it like that. I've got some products here to unbox from TikTok shop. It's one of my side hustle work affiliate to make some money aside from making vlogs and content on Facebook and YouTube. Nag-affiliate din ako dito sa TikTok shop. That's why I have this product. So, i-unbox natin. Ang laba, collagen straight yung buhok. So, itong tatlo na product na to is a side hustle siya na sa affiliate sa TikTok. Sales na ma-make sa TikTok. Example, this one, I have 1,000 sales na may mag-order sa akin. Makakakuha ako ng $1,000. Ganyan siya mag-work. At ito din is per sale, meron din siyang, I think, 1 pound per sale. So, kung makasale ako ng 1 million sale, I will get $1 million. Ganyan siya. That's how affiliate works in TikTok. One of my side hustle work. Aside from content, sa Facebook, sa YouTube, I have affiliate as well. So, mamaya, magbibenta ako nito mamaya. And I hope there's a lot of people make $1 million pesos. And this one as well. That's the product. Ayan yung laman niya. Basically, you just have to scoop and put it inside the washing machine. Ayan. Para siyang downy, pero ano siya? Yung ganito siya ba? It's not liquid. Ganito siya. You just mix it sa nilaba mo. Diba? Ang dami niya. Cherry blossom. Kailangan ko lang i-pick up ang mga bata. So, ito na yung result ng aking buhok. Yung binili ko kanina. So, tinry ko siya. Sobrang ganda talaga niya ay, oh. Silky. I have to promote those products. I'm with Jenny. Where are we, Jenny? Why are we here? Magpapabili siya ng lunch box. Ayaw niya sa kanyang isang lunch box. Pangit daw. Kaya magbili kami ng bago.
Feel like falling deeper for the nights na 너무 싫어 기다리기에는
Lunch box. You want that one? Gusto niya daw nito. You want that? Okay lang ba? Teka lang, tignan natin yung loob. There's no box. Jenny, we need a box. Maghahanap lang ako ng manok para sa aming hapunan. Let's see if they have chicken. Extra tasty. Please. There you go. Put it down, please. Paborito nila yung stick o. Put it on top.
I have them.
Pancake?
Yeah.
That way. Top one. Hoy, scan it first.
It's so fun.
Ah, it's broke now. Be careful, okay?
So big. Chicken is so big.
Punta muna kami doon sa Asian shop. Diyan sa likuran, mag-check kami ng mangga. She's eating super sticks. Product of the Philippines. Ching, 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 ching. Nangala kog mangga na Asian na mangga yung maasim. You want mommy help? Mag-check muna kami dito. Hoy, they have. Ayan, oh. Tapos meron silang ano, oh, boto ng nangka. Ayan, jackfruit. Ready? Medyo taba ko tignan sobra. Kay bakit? Tinutulan ni Wayne yung aking buhok. Ayan. Yan na yung length. Para daw kasing ikog yung ano ba? Yung tawag nito eh. Ano bang Tagalog ng ikog? Anong Tagalog ng ikog? Anyways, I have here. Ito yung aking binili. I have sa maasim na mangga. Sarap to siya lagyan ng suka, tuyo at saka asukal. 5 pieces lang. Magkano na yung 7 pounds sa Pilipinas? Saging. I'm saving money but I keep spending. Oh, that's okay as long as it's for food. We don't have to be stingy sa ating food. And this is the kids' favorite, Mario. Balatan ko ito. I bought some chicken. Ang sarap. Chili na to galing sa pizza. Sobrang maanghang. Lagay ko lang tong ating panegosyo. I have 1 pound na pancake. Pwede na to siya kainin or ilagay dyan o sa... Ay, ang sarap! Chocolate dito sa laman. Ayan na lang yung length ng aking buhok. Ay! Sorry! Napakita ko na pala yan kanina. Wala naman ka Inday Elgin. Uy, para ka namang sirang plaka. 1 mango. Aray, maghalay mo na inyong labandira na Inday. Nilabhan ko din ito, yung prom ni Jack. Hala, kinain ng bird. Kinain ba yan siya? We have 1 left, oh. Kunin ko na lang yan. Let's eat! Mango. Para sa inyo to, first cheers. Naglaway mo no. Kaya ang sarap pag ganito, no? Ay, grabe. Ang sarap niya. I'm so happy. Dahil finally, I have another work. I'm hired as an affiliate seller. Happy ako dahil meron akong another extra income sa online job. Yung pagsisell ko sa TikTok, Pero ano din siya, paswerte-swerte din kung depende kung marami kang sales or wala kang sales. Depende. Pag marami kang sales, marami kang mabibenta. Pag wala kang sales, wala ka ding income. Ganun siya mag-work out. I'm just happy to share to you na na-open yung aking TikTok ba na ay, sabaan nila. Uy, gustong-gusto ko yan dati. Tapos hindi lang na-open dahil kulang yung aking followers, kulang yung ganito-ganyan ko. So now, meron na akong sales pero hindi din ganun ka dami-dami. Pero hopefully, by soon, madami tayong mabibenta. Nito, product of the Philippines, the business of the Philippines. I'm so proud that is coming over in UK. Mayroon na tayong product na nandun sa Asda. Maka-proud lang dahil, product. Binasa ko kasi to. This is from Philippines. Ayan, product of the Philippines. Nandyan, sa baba. Oh my God, kikita nyo ba? Ay, hala, nagilak si Jack.